Is my sound is audible? Okay. So in the branching concept and merging concept, anybody have any question? Yesterday's part. Anybody? Merge part was clear to all of you? Is the merging the code from the branch one to the master branch was clear to you? Any question in that? Anybody?
I have to practice that one, sir. Yesterday's recording was uploaded late, right? So I'm still at the day before one, the 12th one. So yesterday's
So
maybe tomorrow morning I'll practice and I will get back to you if I have any questions.
okay, no issue. Okay. So try to do that. Okay. And
Sure.
just remember one thing that I should explain here itself. So see, currently we are present in which branch? That we can find it using the command called git branch. Okay. Now, do you know one thing that currently we are in the master branch? Okay. And here, if I will create a file, okay, take an example. Okay, there are so many files actually. Just give me a second. Let me delete all the extra file. Okay, password token CSS, I can delete it easily. So let me just delete it. Okay, this is done. So now it will look more fine. Okay. Now we know that if I do the git status, nothing is changed, everything is clean because we deleted the file which was already in the ignored version. Okay. Now you know that we are present in the master branch. Okay. Now in the master branch, if I'm going to create a file currently, like where we create the file, in which stage, working area, staging area, or commit area, we create always the file in the working space itself, right? So if I am creating a file here with the name called, okay, so I created a file, new code file. If we'll do, it is visible. Now the question is, currently I created this file, okay, and I am present in the master branch. If I will switch to the branch one, what do you think? Will this file will be visible or not in the branch one, new code file? I created the file. Yeah. What was saying?
No,
Okay.
it's not visible.
Any other thing anybody can think of? See, currently this file is present in the working space. Again, I'm repeating that. Okay. This file is currently present in the working space. We did not move it to the staging area or commit area.
Yeah, we can see that one even in the branch
because
one.
this file is in the working space. So currently this git does not know now what you want to do with this file, right? This is just a normal file currently. Okay, that's why even if we do the git status command, git will say that somebody added a file. Okay, but I'm not tracking this. Okay, and if you want to make sure that this file should be tracked, then we always use the command called git add. Okay, once I will do the git add and git commit, then only this file will be visible in the master branch only. Making sense? But until and unless we did not commit it, so if somebody will switch that git checkout to the branch one, so here also I will be able to see new code file. This is currently present in the working space. And this new code file, take an example, this from the branch one, you are going to add it, git add dot git commit -m new code file added. So I created this file when I was present in the master branch, but I committed from the branch one, right? So now this file is going to belongs to the branch one only. Here I'll be able to see this file, new code file. But if I'm check out to master, if I do ls, see that new code file is not visible. So until and unless commit is not happening, you'll be able to see the file in each branch locally. Okay, that is the one thing. Okay, so this time, if I'll do, I think one push we are back with it. So master, origin branch one, all are present at during this commit. But you know there is last commit we done, right? So currently we done the changes in the branch one. Okay, now you want to move that new code file from the branch one to the master branch also. So come to the master branch and then you have to simply say git, I want to merge the code from the branch one. And as soon as I will do this, what is going to happen is, okay, spelling is wrong. Now what is going to happen is automatically new code file will be visible in the master branch also because we merged the thing. And since we merged it, now you'll do the git log -hyphen one line. So see, it is clearly saying that your master and branch one is present at this commit ID. Okay. But your origin master and origin branch one is still present at this commit ID only. They don't know anything about that you created a new code file, and that is true. They don't know anything that we created a new code file. Even if I'll refresh this, they are unaware about this fact. So how to make them aware? We have to simply do the git push. We'll give the username. We'll give the token. Enter it. And since we uploaded, now if I'll do the git log -f one line. So origin master also got updated. Origin branch one still it will be not updated. Why? Because we did not done the git push from the branch one. We done the git push from the master branch. That's why only this will be updated. Okay. If we want to make sure that in the branch one also we'll push it. So we'll first move it to the branch one and then we'll do the git push one more time. Git push. Username, password. Now what happened? Okay, I think password is wrong. Now let me copy it one more time. So this is done. Now if we'll again move back to the master branch and you are going to check the log, so you'll see that everything looks perfectly fine. All are synced to the last commit. And you can verify it from here also. Previously the new code file was not visible. Now it will be visible. Yeah. Okay, so this is the concept of the merging that we explained in the last class. Now today we are going to see about the concept called conflict. Okay, we are going to see the concept called conflict. So merge is clear, right? Should I go with the conflict now? All of you? Okay. So let's see what I am trying to do now. Okay, try to understand. It is a little bit complex to understand conflict part. Okay, but if you're able to understand this, everything will be fine. Okay, so for the conflict, what you are going to do is I am creating a I am creating a file with the name called new file. Okay, and make sure currently I am is present in which branch. I am present in the master branch. In the master branch, I am creating a file with the name called new file. Something like this I created. Okay, and inside this new file, I am writing some content. I am writing the content as hi Kisan, something like this. Okay, inside a new file. That's it. I am saving this file. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm simply doing the git add, git commit -m and give the message added new file in master like this, and we commit it and we done the git push, something like this. Username, password. So basically we created a file with the name called new file. Inside this we written some content, okay, and we committed it. Making sense?
Yes.
And you can verify here. If we'll refresh this page, okay, this new file came. Inside this content is IKSR. Fine.
Yeah.
Now what we are going to do is again we done it in the master branch. Now I am moving back git. I want to check out. Okay, git. I want to check out, and I want to check out to branch one. Okay. Currently, this branch one does not know anything about that new file got created there, right? Now, take an example. The person who is working on the branch one, he also created a file with the name called new file itself. Okay, exactly same name, new file only. But in place of writing the hi Kisan, here he written the hi Kisan, right, in the master branch. But this particular employee who is writing here, he written the hello Kisan, something like that. And he also saved this content. He also done the git add. He also done the git commit -m and new file added in branch one, something like this. Okay, so done. Now git push password, done. We saved it. Okay, now you know what happened till now. What we done, we created a file. Okay, we created a file with the name called new file in the master branch. Okay, inside this we written the content as hi Kisan. Okay, similarly I created a file with the name called in the branch one with the name called new file itself, and here I written the content called hello Kisan. Making sense?
Yeah.
Now if somebody want to update, like whatever the changes I done in the branch one, I want to merge it in the master branch. What we do usually, if I want to merge the content of the branch one to the master branch, what is the usually thing we do?
Full.
Come again?
Full.
Not pull. We do the git merge, right? To merge the thing from the branch one to the master branch. So first we have to check out to the master branch. Okay, wherever we want to merge it, first we have to go to that particular branch, and we'll simply say that git, can you merge the code from branch one? Now the problem is when git will try to merge the code from branch one, how they merge it? They will check all the files here, right? And they will check all the files here. Okay. if here you created a new file, like previously we created a file with the name called new code file, right? So this new code file was not existed in the master branch, right? So that's why when I done the merge, what they done is they simply added the new code file here. Okay, but now the problem is this time you are going to do the merge. So here they will see that there is a new file, extra file, that is new file. Okay, and when they will try to merge it in this master branch, here they will see that already there is a file with the name called new file. Okay, now they will check the content. Inside this, they will check the content is hi Kisan in the first line. There they will check the content is hello Kisan in the first line. Then they will get confused that which one is correct, which one is wrong. Making sense? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And since this is going to give the issue, okay. So if you'll try to do now, can you merge the branch once? There is a issue is coming and they are saying auto merging new file. There is conflict is coming and I am not able to handle. So you have to manually solve the conflict. Automatic merge is failed. Okay, now you have to fix the conflict and then commit the result. They are telling us only. Okay, they are saying I am unable to do the merge. Okay, because conflict is there. Now you have to fix the conflict and commit the result. So what they actually done? So we done the git merge. Okay. So they merged the branch also, right? The problem is when they were merging the new file, so they were confused that which code is correct, whether hi Kisan is correct or hello Kisan is correct. Okay. So you're seeing both the things, right? Hi Kisan and hello Kisan, right?
Yes.
Now, they added both the things because they are saying I was confused that which one is to kept, right? So they kept both the things inside this file. Okay, but this is not the proper format to keep the code everything, right? Definitely this is going to give the issue. So what you have to do is you have to open this new file manually. Okay, you have to open this new file manually. Why it is not opening? Okay, new file. So see, now as a human being, machine cannot take the decision, right? Which code is correct. But as a human being, the person who is writing the code, they will be able to take the decision, right? Which code is correct, which code is wrong, right? So after seeing all these things, I found that, okay, let's do one thing. Both the codes are correct. Let's keep both the line of code, something like this. So I will delete all the extra line and I will keep both the things. Making sense? I took the decision that I have to keep both the code. If I have to do some extra changes, that also I will just add it here. Okay. Is this fine? What I'm doing
But,
here?
but there are two different files, right? Two different files developed by two different people.
Yeah, two
But
different.
what if they need both the files?
No, but they given the file name as same, right?
Same. But is this the way actually they can change the file name and keep the both the files?
No. See, file name you cannot change it now. See, you created a file with the same name, right? So
Yeah.
if you know that is the reason that you want to keep both the file, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, what will be happen is, see, what I am trying to explain, that is a different scenario. I am explaining you that somebody written some code, okay?
Yeah.
And on that particular code file only, like in the new file itself, somebody also doing some changes, okay? But rather than doing some changes in the line or something, they deleted the entire content. Getting it? That
Yeah.
if somebody added some extra line in this line and branch one, they added some different line in this one. Okay, so in that case, if they will try to add this, so Git always store the value as per the line wise. Okay, like if you are going to delete a single word also, na, Git will understand that you deleted the entire line and then you added a extra line. Okay, so we are solving the conflict like that way. But if you are saying that both the file we want to keep, in that case, developer will definitely change the file in the branch one and then they will try to merge it, right? Because
Yeah.
when we are merging, that time only we are getting the issue, no, that conflict is there or not,
Okay.
right? So manager can
Okay.
ask simply that you can change the file name.
Yeah. But this is file is the same, but
Yeah,
served by
content somebody updated it. This
content
person
is
updated different
different.
content.
Okay.
This person updated different content. Now we have to take the decision that which code is
Yeah.
correct. Okay, that is the thing. Once we'll take the decision, we'll rectify. Okay, then we'll simply save this file and we'll say simply again exactly same way: git add git commit -m and give the message like conflict solve, something like this. I'll press enter. Then if I'll do git, push username, password, then the push. Now if you'll see in the master branch, if I'm refreshing this, we'll be able to see the latest content. Okay, high case and allocation also. Okay, if somebody will check the history, they can get it. Okay, that the last commit was something in which they solved the conflict. Okay, in which they basically added this line. Okay, so like this way you have to do the changes. Okay, and conflict not like this only happens. Sometimes conflict happen like this also. Let me show you another scenario. Let me first check whether it will work or not. So what I am going to do is, currently we merged everything, right? Everything is working perfectly fine. If I'll do the git log -1 line, you'll see that everything is updated. There is no problem in this, right? Everything is good. This branch one is not pushed to this one. Okay, but let it be. Now what we are doing is, let's clear all these things and take an example. We are going with the file called Mumbai file one. Okay, Mumbai file one. Now from the master branch, somebody was working on the master branch directly. Okay, and what he done is he deleted this code, new line of code. Okay, and in place of that he added something different. Like he added something like this on the third line. Making sense? Okay, in the Mumbai file one, simply save this file. Then he done the git add, git commit -m updated Mumbai file. And we are doing the git push and so push is also done. Okay. Now master branch people done these changes, right? But the people who is from the branch one, they are unaware about that somebody done the changes. Okay. So he is working in the branch one. And since he is working in the branch one, he can also edit the Mumbai file one, right? So currently the code is new line of code only, right? But in place of this line, he written something different, like something like this he written. Okay, so totally different content. Okay, on the third line. Else everything is same. Only the third line he done the changes. If I save this file, and he also done the exactly same thing. Git add, git commit, given some message, git push, we uploaded it. Okay. Now if we'll verify it, what we done actually is in the master branch. Okay. In the master branch, we created the Mumbai file one. Okay. Inside this, we done the changes. We basically done the changes in this third line. Okay. Similarly, in the branch one also, we done the changes in this line. Okay. Now I will try to merge the changes from the branch one to the master one. This can be the possibility, right? That somebody worked parallelly in both the branches like that. Okay. Now, if somebody will check out, currently I'm in present in which branch? Branch one. If I'm going to do the checkout, git checkout to the master branch. And if I'll say git, can you merge the branch one? Again, conflict is coming in the Mumbai file one. Making sense? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And what will be the conflict? You know the reason. Let me open the Mumbai file one in detail. So see, everything is same. These two line, no changes, right? So there is no problem in this. The last line, also there is no changes. The problem is in the third line. Making sense? Because the person who is writing in the master branch, he written this line. Okay, the person who was editing in the branch one, okay, he written this thing. Now you have to take decision which code is correct. This one, or you want to keep both, or you want to delete one. Making sense? So for this type of the scenario, we have to take the decision. So again, I will delete all this extra thing. Okay, and then I can again save this file and I can say git add get commit -m and take all in this file like this. Fine. And since we pasted, now we'll do the git push. We will give the username, password, yeah. And you can verify. Now this Mumbai file one will have the updated code. We are in the branch one. Actually, we done the changes in the master branch, and we can go in the history also. If you'll see the conflict solve, what was the things we done. So basically, this was the added by the master branch of people only, and this line extra we added from the branch one. Whatever the changes we done, basically, that is just added. Hope the conflict is now clear to you. If any confusion in the conflict, you can ask. All good?
If it is okay, we'll practice up to here and then.
Then you want me to continue?
Yes, please.
Okay, sure, we can do that now. So, okay, so
Yeah.
from testing, we'll see. So tomorrow is Friday, right? And so most probably tomorrow Git will be over. Okay. So there will be basically 4-5 more commands are there, like git stashing, git reset, git revert, right? Git for, git clone, these all things we'll see. Okay.
Mhm.
Meanwhile, you can practice it.
So
Okay.
once this is done, what is the next topic?
Once the Git will be over, we'll be starting with the AWS cloud.
Okay.
Okay. Currently, we just know how to launch the EC2 instance, right? That's it now.
Yeah.
But now we'll be launching much more details about all these things. What is image? What is volume? These all things will explain everything. Okay.
So that will be how many classes? Like 1 week or?
For AWS,
Yes. Yeah.
it will be more than 1 week.
Okay.
It will be around 8 to 9 classes, something around, to
Okay.
cover the entire.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Thanks all of you. Have a nice day. Just
Thank you, sir.
practice merge and conflict now. Try to
Yeah.
practice it 2 to 3 times. That is more important.
Sure. Yeah, we will. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.